This is our course website. We're going to explore it very quickly, and you should do the same thing on your own, but I just want to give some highlights of things you should especially look upon. First of all, of course, the URL, which is up here at the top. Make note of that. And if you don't have that written down, you might want to write that down for yourself later. It is a link off of our Blackboard as well. And so as we come down, my phone number is on the syllabus right here. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to call anytime, night or day. All right. Now it says office hours, 6 to 7. Well, I'm not really on campus at all in online classes, but I can meet with you over the phone or Zoom sessions as well. And if you need hands-on experience with any of the software, I can usually talk you through that on a Zoom session where you look at me working with the software that I'm encouraging you to learn during the course, and that is a part of our assignments. All right, so as we cursor down through the syllabus, you can print this out. It's the actual file is on our Blackboard, and there's also in our file cabinet on this website, you can download the syllabus portion up here. But as we keep going down, pretty soon we get to the topical outline. Okay, and so what I'm saying here is that each of the assignments has got a code number. So when you email me the assignments in the set of assignments, make sure in the subject of your email you put in, say it's assignment number 1.1. Make sure you put 1.1 in the subject line. If it's assignment 2.2, put that in the subject of the email. That helps me keep track on my grade sheet for you. You'll notice often the assignment requires that you send me a synopsis of what you have watched or read. What is a synopsis? Well, my definition for this course of this word synopsis is simply a summary of what you've learned from the video or audio or the reading material. Paralegals must often make what is called a digest of a deposition that provides a good summary of the deposition with the critical important points. The synopsis, in this case, that you email to me needs to include precise things you have learned, yet it doesn't need to be very long, all right? So keep that in mind. One of our assignments will be to give me a synopsis of how to summarize a deposition. This assignment will provide you with ideas about how to write a synopsis for any document, video, or audio file. All right, so all of your assignments are described below, so you might want to read down through the whole web page. I would do that. So when are the assignments due? Just keep up a good pace. For summer courses, you probably need to do 2 sets of assignments per week for the 16-week course. In the fall and the spring, you can try to do 1 assignment set per week. Try to get assignment set number 1 finished and to the instructor by the end of the first week, and 2 by the end of the second week when you're in a 16-week course. Summer, you have to double up. Do I take off if you don't get an assignment in? No, I don't take off, but you don't want to get too far behind. So here, first set of assignments, all right? So each assignment has a number and is a part of a set. So for example, this is first set of assignments. Here's assignment number 1. That's 1.1 when you email it to me. What will the midterm be like? And this explains it here. And then there's a link here that takes you to the fill in the blank assignment. So what you're going to do is look over the midterm, what it's going to be like, and then you're going to click and take a look at it, and then you're going to email me a synopsis of what the midterm is going to be like, okay? So that's your assignment, number 1. Number 2, research paper. See the link on our course about the website by clicking here. Read the description of the paper. Send me a synopsis of what the research paper is all about, what I'm expecting. And then that's assignment 1.2, you see. This is assignment set 1, this is 1.2. and so on, all the way through. I'm not going to read each one of these, but you need to look over these carefully. And then there are links oftentimes inside the assignment itself. So email me a synopsis, click here to watch the video. So sometimes a link will take you to a video that you're supposed to watch. In this case, Audacity, it's a sound recording and editing program, and you click and you watch the video. And then the second set of assignments. So this one here, number 1, is actually 2.1. And you're to read it, write a synopsis, and send it to me. So that gives you the idea. You go down through all these different assignment sets. And I would, my first week of class, I would look through all the assignments, read through this whole thing so you know what you're in for, okay? These do not have to be done in a certain order. If you want to tackle some of them out of order, that's okay. Just let me know that you're, like, say, the first week you decide you're going to go to assignment set 10, number 1, put that in the subject line so I don't get mixed up as to what you're doing. Most likely, going through them in order is the best idea, but that's up to you. Now, when you get to a video like this, how to manipulate spoken words, and you click on the YouTube video, once you do that, you can watch the whole thing full screen. I'll show you this. I can click there by clicking this icon. And that will open up.
This is a demonstration of
the video, full screen. And that'll bring it up full screen. So that may be something when you come to one of these embedded videos to watch it more evidently, you want to open it up with this click here. And there are a number of those that you'll come to as you go through and you write a synopsis. So then your research paper is due via email the last week of class. During the summer, that comes up a lot quicker than you'd want it to, I think, because you got double work to do during the summer time. Anyway, read through all of these assignments. I'm going to go back to the top. And over here on the left, you might, the first week of class, take a look at all of these clicks on the left. And read these weekly email reports and email interviews. File cabinet. File cabinet has files you might want to download. Go there and take a look at that. There are PowerPoints there. There's optional download software that you can download. Learn the 14 principles by memory for your fill in the blanks. There's a video there. The various software, some of the software that we're going to be learning about, you might want to take a look at that. Bowtie video YouTubes that you're going to be asked to look at in some of your assignments are here. Fill in the blank exercise helps you practice for the midterm. The difference between clawback and quick peek, there's an assignment about that. What is a hash number? That is a good thing to look over. How to lose ESI, kind of a humorous way of if you wanted to lose ESI, here's how you do it. Just kind of the opposite, of course, is what you'd want to do. How-to videos, very helpful. Some of these are referred to in the assignments. Social media e-discovery, web indexes, and different search sites, attendance policies for online students, admissible e-discovery evidence, e-discovery updates, email deletions, motions to compel, how to videos and assignments that you're going to be getting over here in your assignment list, how to search the internet. That might be good for you to look at for your research paper, something about pro discovery software, and Audacity download if you want to try Audacity, an audio recording program. You don't have to install any software in this class on your own computer. That's optional, but there is an option here if you want to try that. What is TAR? E-discovery, contemporary issues. What software is used by paralegals and attorneys nowadays? E-discovery website, websites that you might want to go to and doing your research. How to inspect when a web page was created and modified. The time and grade sheet, I want to go there. This is something you have to do. This is an example of it, okay? This is a video I'm not a video, but an example of what it looks like. And you can download the example spreadsheet to your computer, and then you keep track of your assignments. So, for example, assignment set number 1, assignment number 1, here's the description of it off of our course website. How much time did you spend? You need to record that exact amount of time within, I would say, 15-minute segments. So if I spent 15 minutes with this one, I put 15 in here. If I spent 60 minutes, I'd put 60 in there. If I spent, say, an hour and 15 minutes, I'm going to put 75 in there. And as you put those numbers in here, the totals will be added up here at the top automatically by the formula I put up there when you download the spreadsheet. I'll send you an email for each of your assignments. Put your grade in here. If I give you 90, put a 90 in there. If I give you 100, 100. 75, put a 75 in there. And then over here, we have complete the column set number assignment. So you need to put, like for assignment set 2, put a description in here of assignment set number 1, assignment set 2, assignment 1, type in a description, okay? And then, so anyway, download that and start keeping track of your time. Very important. It's a part of your grade to do this. You turn this in not every week, but at the end of the course, you send me this spreadsheet all filled in, all right? So that's basically what I wanted to show you with regard to our course website and our assignments, and I would encourage you to explore it in great detail. The bookstore, you can purchase a printed copy of the reading packet, but you can also download the PDF version from our file cabinet page on the website. So if I go over here to our file cabinet web page here, right here, number 4, I click there, and I want to get the reading material in a PDF format. You can cursor down here, and you'll see the reading material. Come down here and find it for you. Let's see. A lot of material here. And I think it's good for you to look at all of this over as well. But our reading material is a PDF file, and I'm trying to find it here. Let me go back up and Control F. There it is. parl235 packet, PDF. This is a digital copy of the reading material that you're going to be reading each week. So you want to download that. Or you can go to the bookstore and you can purchase a printed copy of it. That's up to you. All right, thanks for watching, and keep an eye on your assignments each week.